New Zealand teams have been dominant in this season's Super Rugby, and so it's hardly surprising that 3 Kiwi teams are still standing as we start semi-final weekend. 2 of these sides, the Chiefs and the Hurricanes, meet here tonight in the capital city. Both were highly impressive in winning their quarters last week. The Chiefs away to the Stormers, Hurricanes right here against the Sharks. Now Kurbalo sees a gap and off he goes. Chased down and he's lost the ball in the tackle of his opposite number. So now the Hurricanes on the counter-attack, and Barrett drops the little kick in behind and picks it up. Now can he link up Beauden Barrett? He's got a fair bit of pace.
McNichol
got his pass off, and what a try! Holo scores it.
Six minutes and 45 seconds and counting. They are on their feet here in the capital city.
Set!
Right, so here we go, another scrum. Going down in the front row. They're going blindside here with McKenzie. McKenzie scrambling for the line and can't make it. Hurricanes win the line out, and they ask Shields to drag it up 5 metres out and up the centre. Go the Hurricanes. Artie Savia with his amazing pace. Now the bounce of the ball, snapped up by Perenara. Ball's loose, and
who's that? Is that Retallick? Who is that? Sanders. Oh,
Tom Sanders.
Drag back though.
Line out work quickly done, Retallick. Now here's Kane. Intercept! They won't see him. Barrett will score under the posts.
just can make things happen. Knocks up his 200th point for the season for the second time in his super career, and what a time to do it.
Set!
So, Vito waits, goes blindside. Victor Vito! Now McKenzie spins it wide. Busting the tackle was Leonard Brown, got it off to McKenzie, lovely touch. And here's Pulu, throws a long pass and they've blown another one. Short pass to McKenzie. Almost turned over. Webber slings it away. And no, whistle goes. And so does the final whistle. And for the second year running, the Hurricanes are into the final with home advantage.